Our goal is to remove all the obstacles that might be in the way of making faster discoveries that can ultimately lead to improved treatments. Neuroinformatics is the combination of modern digital technology and modern neuroscience to try and improve the data collection, the handling, the storage, the sharing, and the analysis of data to improve the speed with which we can come up with new clinical treatments. The goal of neuroinformatics is ultimately to allow a neuroscience researcher to sit down at a computer and quickly find the data that they need to be able to test their hypothesis. There are lots of different types of data being collected by many different clinics across many institutions. And one of our primary roles is to ensure that when the data is collected, that goes through some form of quality process and can be uploaded to a central repository, which is called BrainCode, and it's actually accessed over the internet. And then it is organized and made available so that everyone in the Andre Research Program can access it. So one of our primary roles is to work closely with each of the different data acquisition platforms at each of the institutions to ensure that the data that comes from one institution can be combined with the data from another institution, and that the differences between the institutions are not the primary feature of the data, because ultimately we want to be able to take each of our different data types from all the different institutions and create one large data set that will maximize the benefits of new analyses. So it's a really fun place to be, sort of in the middle somewhere, where all the data flows in, gets organized, and then flows out again. We're part of an even larger consortium that's building neuroinformatics and bioinformatics tools for 5 different independent disease programs funded by the Ontario Brain Institute.